Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will show you my project. My name is Abdulaziz Tariq and my teacher is Rahim Khan and I am grade 7A and my project is about pronoun and my school is Possessive International School. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word that substitutes from a noun or noun phrase. There are 5 types of pronoun: subject pronoun, object pronoun, possessive pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun. What is subject pronoun? In English, the subject pronouns are I, you, thou, he, she, it, one, we, he, they, who, and what, with the exception of you, it, one, and what, and in informal speech, who. What is object pronoun? Object pronouns are those pronouns that receive the action in a sentence. They are me, you, him, her, us, them, and whom. Any noun receiving an action in the sentence, like this pronouns, is an object and it is categorized as objective case. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronoun show that something belongs to someone. The possessive pronouns are my, our, your, his, her, its, and their. There is also an independent form of each of these pronouns: mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. What is a relative pronoun? A relative pronoun is a pronoun that marks a relative clause. A relative pronoun serves the purpose of conjoining, modifying information about an